Mr. Nand Kishore Chaudhary, the founder of Jaipur Rugs, is a globally acclaimed social entrepreneur and is often referred to as the Gandhi of carpet industry. Born in 1953 in a traditional Marwadi family, NKC initially joined his father at the family's footwear shop while pursuing his education from Lohia College in Churu, Rajasthan. After graduation, he was offered a secure bank job, but he declined it as he wanted to do something on his own. His attention was caught in a local time on a drug-making craft where the artisans, despite their remarkable skills, were paid poorly and were mistreated as untouchables, which pained him a lot. However, as he showed interest in this business, he had to face the music from his own family, which was totally against his idea of him mingling with weavers belonging to scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. That's when he thought to himself, how can a man be judged by his caste? A man should be recognized by what he does. In his words, between the divides of the upper caste and the lower caste, I realized that there exists the creative caste, the rural craftspeople. These artisans have gifted hands, gifted fingers. They are gifted with immense patience, immense creativity, and in real sense, they are gifted and blessed by God. In 1978, NKC started his carpet business with just 2 looms and 9 artisans in his backyard by borrowing rupees 5,000 from his father. He quickly learned the technical aspects of weaving and set to expand his business, but soon realized that in order to bring a change in the supply chain, he had to strengthen the weakest link, the weaver community, which was thus far being exploited by the contractors. Thus, in 1986, he cut out the middleman and started working directly with the people at the grassroots to ensure fair wages. Eventually, he shifted his base to Jaipur as ever-increasing demand of his carpets needed finer infrastructure. His transformational and mindful leadership enabled Jaipur Rugs to soon scale it up to a global social enterprise which provided sustainable livelihood to 40,000 artisans, 80% of whom were women, across 600 far-flung villages and 20 branches in 5 states of India. Today, Jaipur Rugs makes the world's finest carpets with a market in more than 50 countries by following a unique socio-economic model of doorstep entrepreneurship. Under NKC's mentorship, the company has introduced a series of innovations to unlock the untapped potential of the weavers. A great example of this is the Artisan Origins collection, which allows weavers to be the designers of their own rugs. Tapping into the untamed fashion from the villages of India, this resulted in a major design awards like the German Design Award 2016 and 17, Make in India Emerging Entrepreneur Award 2017, Carpet Design Award 2017, considered as the Oscars of the carpet industry, CNBC TV 18 Emerging India Awards 2014, NASSCOM Social Innovation Honors 2014, Social Impact Award 2012, and Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year Award 2010, to name a few. NKC has been described as the father of moral social enterprises by internationally reputed professor of marketing Jagdish N. Sheth from Emory University, USA. Sheth said, Jaipur Rugs has become a role model that business can serve society and at the same time can be a capitalistic institution. Management guru C.K. Prahalad featured NKC's revolutionary business philosophy in his globally acclaimed book, The Fortune at the Bottom of the Pyramid. NKC's devotion to the Indian hand-knotted rug weaving industry has been converted into books titled He Who Dreams, Eli Cooper's Rajasthan, Exploring Painted Shekhawati, G.P. Rao's Humanizing Management, and The Flying Carpet by Entrepreneur Magazine. He has been invited as a guest speaker in various esteemed universities like Harvard, Wharton, Stanford, TISS, IIT Mumbai, IIM Ahmedabad, and many more. He has been a speaker at the prestigious TEDx hosted by IIM Ranchi. NKC is married to Mrs. Sulochna Chaudhary, and the couple has been blessed with 3 daughters and 2 sons, who all have graduated as textile designers and management experts and have joined him at various capacities to help him grow the business in different corners of the world. NKC has always also treated his artisans as his extended family members. This strengthens his thoughts, enabling him to have a closer and more deliberate relations with them. At the same time, it ensures their dignity and self-confidence, which in turn increases their productivity, bringing prosperity to both the business and their homes. The epitome of simplicity, NKC's journey has been filled with everyday celebrations, from changing standard practice of social untouchability to ensuring dignity for artisans. He motivated rural women entrepreneurs to develop artistry and realize their untapped potential.